What's up, kid family? Bully Kid here checking in. This video is going to be part of a series that I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be pretty much showing you guys all the wheel setups that I've ran on my 2007 Honda Civic, from SI wheels to TSX wheels to TLS wheels to aftermarket wheels. I'm going to talk to you guys about what was needed to make the rim fit. Did I like the fitment? Did I like the steering and the feedback that it provided? All that is going to be explained. So if you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, hit that bell notification, and stay up to date with all my videos. Alright guys, so the first set of wheels that I bought for my 07 Civic LX at that time was a 2007 Civic Si wheel set, or they call it the Daisy rims. Now the 2006, 7, and 8 all came in different shades of gray. As the years progressed, the wheels got a little bit darker. I landed a great deal on a 2007 wheel set.
Alright guys, so we started off with a factory LX Civic with hubcaps, 16-inch wheels, which were nice for comfort, good for a daily driver and longevity, but they diminished the look of the car and they definitely did not perform well. So searching on Craigslist, I came across the Civic Si wheels from 2007 with a little darker shade of gray than the 2006. Now these things run 17 by 7 inches wide. They do have a 45 offset, so the fitment is pretty good. It is made for longevity. The car came with 215, 45, 17-inch tires. Now the good thing is these tires bolt right up to your car and your hub because the wheels are 64.1-inch hub bore size, which most Hondas and Acuras do come with 64.1. So it was a direct bolt on. There was no need for any hub-centric rings or adapters to make sure the wheels fit. And the wheels do use the factory lug nuts. The only problem I had when I've installed the wheels on my LX was that the brake calipers were so darn close next to the wheel. Like, I could only put just about a paper width in between the two. So I decided to take it into my own hands, and I needed to sand down the caliper just a little bit in order to provide more clearances between the brake and the rim. Especially if the brakes heat up, they might expand a little bit and then you will have big interference. By upgrading these wheels and tires to the SI wheels, I gave the car a much more aggressive stance, a sleeker design, a more modern look, and I increased the value of the car as well. Now these wheels aren't perfect because the fitment is still a little tucked in, and you're not going to get a flush fitment, definitely not, unless you would run about 10mm to 15mm spacers, which you can always do. I chose not to. However, the car looks good as is. For a daily driver, you're not going to have any problems with camber wear. You're not going to have any problems with rubbing. It's just a direct bolt on, essentially, depending if it clears your brakes. However, the fitment is on point. You still have some wheel gap in a factory suspension, but you can always lower the car as well a little bit, and then it's going to look nice and flush. The performance aspect is I did get a lot better feedback from the road because of the wire contact patch. My rebound when I go into turns and out of turns is much better. The car feels a little bit more stable, so definitely recommend this setup for you guys if you're wanting to run it.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. This was the first set of wheels I ran. Next week, I'm going to be releasing the second set of wheels that I picked up. I'm going to give you guys a hint. It is another OEM wheel from a Honda or Acura. If you guys found this video informative, smash that like button. Leave a comment below if you guys ran these wheels before on your vehicle. What were your impressions? And let's keep the ball rolling. These are definitely budget-friendly wheel setups. This can probably work for somebody like you. It definitely worked for me. And guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. come along and see it's true, but the world